Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where in today's video, Mike, we have a very special task we will be tackling today, isn't that correct?
I guess so. What are we doing today?
Today we will be talking and explaining coronary artery disease and translating the meaning behind it into Minecraft,
Okay,
as one does.
as one does, for
Yeah.
sure.
So, and when we say CAD, we are referring to coronary artery disease, right, Mike?
Coronary artery disease, got it.
Or CAD for short.
Yeah, let's just call it CAD.
Yeah, cat. Kind of like a caddy.
Yes.
That's how you can remember what it's called. Anyways, so Mike, what's this foreign object we have right here floating in the sky?
Well, this looks like a giant heart, very lifelike.
It is very lifelike, you can actually tell. We got some valves in here, some arteries, some veins.
Yep.
If we turn it around, we can see the inside of the heart. And this is where blood flows at. So
Blood
it gets pumped through the heart Mike, help me
blood
explain
flows
this.
in. It gets pump, and then it flows out. See how
Correct,
we did that?
correct. Now, Mike, what happens if we take some of this plaque right here, and let's say we fill it up like that, maybe some right here. Oh, let me just fix
Yeah.
that.
Sometimes you get a hole in the heart too.
Yeah, well, that's probably not good. Oh, and maybe right here is a bit narrow. Well, what
Yeah.
happens to the blood then?
Well, blood doesn't go to the heart or to the brain or the rest of the body.
Yeah, blood has a harder time getting pumped through the heart with all this plaque. And when we say
That's
plaque,
correct.
everyone, we're not talking about the type of plaque that gets put on one's heart when the LA-10 does not pick up the ghost someone. Isn't that right,
Yeah.
Mike?
Well, that's a very specific, but okay, yeah.
Mike knows all about having that type of plaque on his heart. But no, this plaque right here. Mike, do you know what this plaque is made out of?
No, do tell.
Mike, look at the document.
Um, we're talking about fat deposits, I believe.
Yeah, fatty deposits lead to plaque buildup in the
Uh-huh.
arteries.
Yeah.
Now, how do fatty deposits cause?
I mean, it's like from a unhealthy lifestyle. A diet that is rich in high cholesterol. Um, you can get high blood pressure from it. Also, diabetes at all it contributes to CAD.
Correct, correct. So yeah, if you don't want to be getting CAD, cause like what happens when you get CAD? There's a few symptoms. Let's take a quick little look.
Well, I would say
Um,
probably
yeah. So you might get angina if you have CAD, and angina,
you get
I
a heart
think.
attack.
Yeah, you
And I
can
mean,
also.
CAD is coronary artery disease.
Yeah, again, Mike just said it, but yes, CAD is coronary artery disease. But yeah, you can get a heart attack. You can get angina. Uh, what else is there? What else happens? Let me take another look here. Shortness of breath, fatigue during physical
Mhm.
activity, pain in arms, neck, jaw, back, or shoulders.
Yeah, all that stuff not good.
Yeah, yeah. Mike, how would you like it if you felt pain in your jaw, neck, or shoulders because you had so much plaque on your heart?
Well, I would be worried. I feel like I would have to go to the doctor at that point.
Oh, so you want to figure out how to get diagnosed for CAD, right? See if you have it or not.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's three simple steps to do that, Mike. Here, let's go over each one. Okay. So it
Okay.
starts with initial assessment, Mike, where a doctor or nurse practitioner will kind of view over your family history, take a few blood tests, take your blood pressure, kind of measure all those simple things out. Okay,
Uh-huh.
run of the mill type of stuff, and then maybe from there we'll go to step two, where you may get an EKG. You know what an EKG is, Mike?
It is something like an echocardiogram.
Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure that sounds about right.
Yeah, probably in the same ballpark.
And then from there, you'll get a few scans of your heart, and maybe there will be some dye, and that will light up the arteries. And overall, everything is the doctors are just trying to make sure the blood is pumping like how a person that eats healthy does.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
So it's all really important if you think about it.
truly is.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, Mike, here's a fun fact. Do you know CAD kills more? Is a really serial killer, and it kills more than the Zodiac killer. And let me make sure I say their name right. Elizabeth
Yeah,
Bathory.
sure.
You know, CAD kills, Mike, and that's why you want to make sure you get diagnosed for it.
Mm-hmm.
You want to make sure you don't have it, so you don't get that angina or a heart attack.
Yep.
Yeah, well, I feel like we covered pretty much everything. Mike, well, yeah, really quick, how do we fix CAD? What are some ways to
Well,
prevent it?
I think that starts at the diet. So basically, eating healthy. You want to eat things that are good for your heart, and you also want to intermingle exercise, activity, physical activity. That's going to be good for the heart.
Yeah, yeah. Well, what is like a healthy CAD appropriate diet look like? What do you say?
Well, you would have to definitely eat your fruits and vegetables, healthy green leafy plants such as spinach and maybe something like broccoli. Vegetables like that. Also, I believe blueberries and blackberries are very good for the heart health as well.
Well, is that just because you had blueberries or blackberries earlier today?
Yes, because I like to try to eat healthy. But I mean, other like grains, like a whole wheat grain, is good. Uh, what kind of protein? What would be a good protein to add to your diet?
Probably someone with like a healthy fat, I would say.
Yeah, maybe something like salmon.
Oh, yeah, clever thinking there, Mike.
Yeah.
So let's come back down here. I hope everyone can see good. It's a bit dark out. So let's say there's some plaque right here, some fat
Hmm.
deposits, right?
Sure.
Okay, this person probably ate some unhealthy foods. Some probably maybe some processed cookies, some cake, maybe some French
Hmm.
pork chops even. So and those are really like blocking the whole
Yes.
area here, and
Yep.
so it's really taken up a toll on their life, right?
Correct.
But let's say they add some whole grain bread into their diet, some cooked salmon, some more whole grain bread, some dark oak leaves, and maybe an
Sure.
apple just for the sugar. Watch what
Uh huh.
happens. CAD is no more.
I think you just became a medical doctor.
I think so as well.
You earned your PhD in this one.
Yeah, yeah. So just like that, that's how you prevent CAD, and it can also help limit CAD's effect on your life. Because remember to say no to CAD.
Say no to CAD.
Because if not, it will kill you
That's
and destroy your life probably, and give you
legit.
angina. Mike's gonna go collect all those unhealthy, unprocessed foods. So I hope everyone learned something today. If anyone has any questions, leave them in the comment down below. And while you're down there, let us know if there's any other diseases you want explained in Minecraft. Right now, me and Mike were looking at lymphedema for the next disease we'll cover.
What about herpes?
Mike, I don't think that's appropriate to be covering in Minecraft. So
Yes.
me and Mike are going to go have an HR talk now because he wants to be bringing up inappropriate topics while we're trying to explain good cardiovascular health by introducing aerobic exercises into one's life.
Such as pickleball.
Oh yeah, pickleball is another great way to prevent CAD. Thanks for bringing that up, Mike. But that's not getting you out of this HR talk. So we hope everyone enjoyed. Leave a comment down below of any questions you have about CAD or the up and coming video lymphedema. Me and Mike, we've been doing our research. All of the information shown is from a document me and Mike made. So you know it's quite official, right, Mike?
Yeah,